Okay, I'm gonna make a tree skirt. I bought this skirt, which is really soft, and it's got a little fur trim to it, and I got it from Michael's. And I'm gonna add this and this to the bottom of it, and they were $1.99 a piece. So I think this is the pattern I'm going to use, and let's go forward. I'm gonna remove these from the stick, and I'm just going to use the leaves. The leaves got somewhat of a curve to them, but I'm going to put them on there, design it. I think I'm going to put it on there just like that. I'm using hot glue. I'm using my Gorilla Glue sticks. I'm going to add this to the back of my leaf. And place it down. I got my skirt cut in half, folded in half, so that I can put my items on my skirt and have the right proportion of them, have them in the right spot. I guess the best way to say it. Okay, I changed my idea about my pattern, so I think I'm going to add these right here. Right there in the center of my leaves. Okay? So I'm going to put my hot glue on there. I'm leaving the stem on this one. Put my hot glue on, leave my stem on this. I'm going to take my stem down the middle of my leaf. Still got my style of my leaf on there. Okay. So after you've got one side done, you can open your skirt up and do the other side. And on the back side of your skirt, you're just going to put it on the left and the right side. So you're not going to put anything in the middle. Of course, that's where your skirt connects.